My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I'm really happy that I can make these kind of videos, and I hope that you like it. I'll try my best to upload weekly, and if you want to learn how to make this look, just keep on watching.
Emptiness afterwards, 'cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers.
So it's time for some falsies. Look at this. So this came today. I'm so excited. This is their catalog, all of the products that they have. Lashes, the brushes, and these are the ones that I got sets. So I got the lavish set and the magnificent set, but I've also grabbed some Divalicious, Fluffylicious, and Dreamylicious, which is their limited edition now. Dreamylicious. Let me grab this for you. And a cute little box like this. How cute is that, guys? Look at that. And they also come with like these poopy thing here. It's super cute. I've never tried this before, but I'm gonna give it a try and see how it goes. So here goes.
We're so close, but still we can never. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we can never. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to feel awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper.